Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Best GIS Tutorial, and today lecture we will perform following parameters such as slope, contour, hillshade and inspect mapping from a single digital elevation model. So first delete this. Now go to our toolbox and go to Spatial Analyst tool. Spatial Analyst tool, go to here surface tool and first create a slope map from here, input, and here you can see that output parameter which is in degree. Slope will calculate in degree. If you want to calculate in percentage, you can also write in percentage. We want to calculate in degree, so click on OK. Now here you can see that the slope map is prepared. Now go to table of content and here go to properties of that and go to symbology and classify it into 5 classes. From here click on OK and format label, decrease the value up to 2. Now OK and click on apply. Here you can see that we reclassify the slope and this value. Now go to again our toolbox and click on contour. We will prepare a contour map of that and go to here extract the digital elevation model. Here we will add the contour interval. Let's suppose I want to add it up to 50 meter or 100 meter. Now click on OK and wait for that. Here you can see that the contours are generated. These are contours which show, uncheck this and there is the contour. Now go to properties of contour and here is the symbology, and here we can label it or we categorize it with the name of contour and add all value. Here you can see that these are the contours intervals. Now you apply on that. Here you can see that these are contours we generated from digital elevation model. So now again go to our toolbox and click on aspect map. We will prepare the aspect map of the study area. Here go to environment and go to processing extent. Here click on OK, yes, and same is the layer study area and go to raster analysis and here mask, same is study area. Now click on OK, also click on OK. Now wait for that. Here is also prepare the aspect map. Here you can see that here is the aspect map of our study area. If we uncheck the contour, and you can see here there is the aspect map prepare of study area. Now we'll prepare the hillshade effect for study area. Go to our toolbox and click on Hillshade. Now add study area, and here is the Z factor value, and go to environment and add process extent, same as study area. Now go to raster analysis and study area, okay, and okay. Now this is the Hillshade of our study area. If we add this aspect on that, and we show the aspect above the Hillshade, you can see that, and we can go to property, and here is the display, and here is transparency, source general, symbology, here is classified, and here is label format, mid level up to 2 or 4, okay. You can apply. This is the aspect, again go to label and format level up to 2. Check on okay, apply, and here you can see that look like this. So by this way you can prepare the aspect map of study area, and here you can see the slope of study area, and here is the Hillshade effect, and also you can see the contour of the study area. Here is the contour lines. So if you see the contours, where the contour interval distance is away from one another, it means the slope is gentle. If the contour lines are close to each other, so that show the slope is very steep. We can further divide it into steep, moderate and gentle. So I hope you will learn these all methods, that how to perform or analyze this parameter in our GIS software. Thank you.